हेलो मेंटर्स, क्या आज हमारे क्लास 10th के स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स डमी स्कूल की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं? क्या आज हमारे क्लास 10th स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स में बोर्ड की इंपॉर्टेंस एंड क्लास 10th के बोर्ड मार्क्स की वेटेज को लेके कंसर्न्स हैं? क्या आज हमारे क्लास 10th के स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स स्ट्रीम को लेके या करियर, कॉलेज और कोर्स को लेके कंफ्यूज्ड हैं? We are doing a very special workshop in which we are going to talk about the negative impact of dummy schooling. Why staying connected with school is very, very important. In this workshop, I'm going to talk about the importance of class 10th board marks. We all talk about the importance of class 10th board marks, but we never talk about the data. So in my workshop, I'm going to talk about what are the colleges, courses where class 10th board marks will have a direct weightage so that our students can get convinced. In this workshop, I'm going to talk about streams. How do you go about choosing the right stream? What is the right pathway to choose a career, college, or a course? So, what are you waiting for? Register for this particular workshop. You can get this workshop done at your school premises with students and parents at a date and time of your convenience. Scan the QR code and register for this workshop now. We have very limited spots. Thank you very much. See you there. Bye-bye.